Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I visible to all of you? मेरी आवाज भी जा
Yes,
रही है आप
ma'am.
लोगों तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning. Today we will study chapter 11. Is it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The first war of independence. Yes, the first war of independence, 1857. Yeah. Shalin Sambhav. Shalin Sambhav. Are you listening? Shalin Sambhav.
Yes, ma'am. I'm listening.
No. Janvi Sharma. Listening. Start reading.
Ma'am, I'm able to listen.
Yes, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. The revolt of 1857 was the landmark in the history of India's struggle for freedom. It started on May 10, 1857, with the mutiny of soldiers in Meerut cantonment. The revolutionary soldier marched toward Delhi on May 11, 1857. Delhi was a mute witness to a band of sepoys who crossed over the river Yamuna and entered the Red Fort. They appealed to the aged Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah, an emperor without authority to take over the leadership of the revolt. He was proclaimed the Sahansai Hindustan. The sepoys captured the city of Delhi, killed many Englishmen, and ransacked by many public offices. Through the revolt
Okay,
was
very good.
started.
Janvi Sharma. हो गया. Shalin Sambhav. हो गया. Now Janvi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Though the revolt
Sharma,
was
पढ़िए.
though the revolt was started by the Indian soldiers in the service of the East India Company, it soon spread to different parts of country. Different sections of the society like peasants, artisans, soldiers, educated Indians and many Indian rulers joined hands to fight ferociously against the foreign rule. Hindus and Muslims also came together to oppose the foreign domination. The event was also called
Okay,
the
very good.
uprising.
Very good. Very good. Janvi. Okay, Janvi. एक पैराग्राफ के बाद दूसरे को लेट अदर्स दूसरों को भी पढ़ने के मौका दीजिए. अमित कुमार. अमित कुमार. अमित कुमार.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
अमित. हाँ चलिए स्टार्ट करिए.
Yes,
स्टार्ट
ma'am.
करिए.
The
पढ़िए.
event was also called as Uprising, the Revolt of 1857, or the Sepoy Mutiny by the British, but Indian historian Sepoy Mutiny
सिपाही
by
बोलिए.
the British,
हाँ.
Sepoy Mutiny by the British. But the Indian historian called it a first war of independence, as it the first time that different sections of Indian society united and the fought as one nation to throw off the shackles of foreign domination.
Okay.
Even the
हो गया. अमित गुड. अब तमन्ना कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am. Ever since
पढ़िए.
the British had set foot on Indian soil, the nation was losing its wealth and independence. The aim of the British was to exploit the resources of our country from 1757 onwards. They won almost every battle against the Indian rulers and kept on expanding the area under their control. They sent in Indian wealth back home to England. The injured the Indians. Finally, 100 years later, in 1857, a number of Indians revolted against the exploitation.
Now Priyanshu Rajak. Priyanshu Rajak.
Yes, ma'am. Causes of the revolt. Political causes. The revolt was the outcome of the widespread resentment that had been boiling against the British for a long time. The Indian sepoys were dissatisfied with the treatment meted out to them. The Indian rulers Bahadur Shah Zafar, Tantia Tope of Gwalior, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi and Nana Sahib of Kanpur had personal scores to settle with the British. They led to the revolt in their respective territories.
Okay, very good. Now Arushi Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Raj.
The common
चलिए.
people of Delhi, Lucknow, Gwalior, and other places had no narrow ambitions of power or money. They wanted an end of the foreign exploitation. The policy of annexation of Dalhousie, particularly the doctrine of Leipzig, created fear and resentment among Indian rulers. They were not allowed to adopt heir to the throne. This policy this policy ensured that those kingdoms where the kings did not have natural heirs would be taken over by the British after the demise of the king. It is believed
Okay.
that if the British
Okay,
would
okay.
have not
Okay. Okay, good. Anupriya Kumari now.
Yes, it is believed that if the British would have not scrapped the compensation that kings were paid earlier in return of a share in government, the kings would not have joined the revolt. The British signed many treaties with the kings and nawabs but violated them as per their convenience. One such treaty signed with Awadh was subsidiary alliance in 1801. The Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was compelled to accept the permanent British army within the territory and to pay a subsidy for its maintenance. He could not recruit and any other European in his service without prior approval. He had to station a resigned in his court, which reduced the power of the Nawab. Gradually, the Indians lost all trust in the British. Awadh had been an ally of the East India Company for nearly a century. Still, it was annexed on the plea that the government was not functioning properly. The Nawab was exiled to Calcutta. Begum Hazrat Mahal took over the resign of Awadh. This shocked the other rulers.
Okay. Now Sambhavi Sinha. Sambhavi Sinha. Sambhavi
Yes, ma'am.
Sinha.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. हाँ.
Economic causes. The policy of economic expansion.
पहले do you know पढ़ लीजिए ऊपर का. Do you know पढ़िए पहले.
Okay, ma'am. Lord Dalhousie was appointed Governor General of India in 1848. The 8 years of his rule are considered the greatest period of the expansion of British power in India. Economic causes. The policy of economic explosion and destruction of traditional Indian economic structure by the British caused whispered testament among Indians. The zamindari system exploited the peasants who were forced to grow only those crops that the British industries required. They were tortured or jailed on failure to pay the revenue of in time. Industrial goods like textiles from Britain flooded the Indian markets. This destroyed Indian industries and made the artisans and peasants unemployed.
Okay. यशवी राय. यशवी राय हो गया. यशवी राय चलिए.
Yes,
यशवी
ma'am.
राय चलिए
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़िए. यशवी राय. यशवी राय. यशवी राय।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was
हाँ, पढ़-
disconnected.
चलिए पढ़िए।
Yes, ma'am. Whenever the princely states were annexed, the British got rent-free and huge amount of money. The common people faced unemployment and poverty. When Awadh was occupied by the British, Nawab's officials were dismissed and his army was disbanded. About 60,000 professional soldiers lost their livelihood. Social and religious causes. The social reformers by the British were considered an interference in the customs and traditions of the Hindus. Many
Okay.
Indians.
ओके यशवी, ठीक है। नाउ प्रियांशु कुमार यादव, चलिए प्रियांशु।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलिए पढ़िए।
Social and religion causes. The social reforms by the British were considered and the interferences in the customs and the tradition of the Hindu. Many Indians opposed the introduction of Western education and the conversion of Indians to Christianity. The Hindu laws of property was changed to enable a Christian convert to receive his share of
एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी।
ancestral property. Thus, the spread of railway create the feather fear among the poor and illiterate section of the society that they would lose their caste.
ओके
Indians were
ओके।
not
नाउ अदिति प्रिया। हो गया प्रियांशु, हो गया। अदिति प्रिया, अदिति प्रिया।
Yes, ma'am. Indians were not
हाँ चलिए
allowed to
पढ़िए।
travel. Indians were not allowed to travel in first-class train compartments. The conservative Indians were alarmed by the rapid spread of Western cultural Indian education in India. Moreover, the British looked down upon Indians and followed a policy of radical discrimination. They considered themselves as superiors. They advocated a judicial system based
नाउ आयुष राज। आयुष राज, आयुष राज, आयुष राज, आप सुन रहे हैं? आयुष राज, नो। आयुष राज, मैम मेरा अभी क्या बोल रही हैं चैट में, क्या आया है? मैम मेरा अभी कनेक्ट हुआ है। मैम अभी कौन सा चैप्टर चल रहा है? चैप्टर है 11, चैप्टर है आपका 11 चैप्टर चल रहा है। क्या आप लोग स्नैप वर्क में नहीं देखते हैं? स्नैप होमवर्क में तो देती हूँ, टाइटल रहता है चैप्टर 11। फिर वाई यू पीपल आस्क द चैप्टर, ठीक है आप पहले ज्वाइन कर लीजिए या लेट से ज्वाइन कर, इट इज नॉट ए मैटर, बट चैप्टर तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ रहता है, किसी चैप्टर को पढ़ाया जाएगा। आयुष राज, आप सुन रहे हैं? आयुष राज, आर यू लिसनिंग? नो। पीयूष राज, पीयूष राज, आर यू लिसनिंग? पीयूष राज, नो। गौतम वर्मा, गौतम वर्मा, रिपुंजय त्रिपाठी।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए पढ़िए।
Military causes.
गौतम वर्मा
The
या रिपुंजय
sepoys.
त्रिपाठी को
Military causes. The
पढ़िए
sepoys
गौतम।
had helped the British to The sepoys had helped the British to establish their empire in India, but instead of receiving awards or promotions, they were humiliated by the British. There was discrimination between the Indian and the British soldiers. The highest pay given to an Indian sepoy as Subedar was less than minimum pay of a European recruit. The Act of 1856 made it compulsory for new Indian recruits to serve overseas. It hurt the feeling of the soldiers as Hindus believed that overseas travel would lead to the loss of caste.
ओके वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। आयुष राज, आयुष राज। नाउ माहेश्वरी यादव, माहेश्वरी यादव, माहेश्वरी यादव, आर यू लिसनिंग? नो। माहेश्वरी यादव, नो। आयुष राज, नो। शुभ्रा सिंह, शुभ्रा, यस पढ़िए शुभ्रा सिंह।
Immediate southeast, the statistics of the new independent Nepal has a big paper cover which has been written of before the statistics was loaded into the file. It was said that a disease composed of peace and distrust, but the Hindus and the Muslims refused to use them as the south is said to the Hindus and the East is disable to the Muslims. On March 29, 1857, the Tycho near Calcutta, Mangal Pandey, a young Indian sepoy from Bengal regiment, refused to use the peace category and stood down his again. He was arrested, tried, and executed when this news spread. Many boys started the revolt.
ओके ठीक है। नाउ आयुष राज, आयुष राज।
यस मैम, यस मैम।
हाँ चलिए स्टार्ट करिए आयुष। मैंने बहुत बार आपको बोला पढ़ने को। हाँ
मैम बट
क्योंकि लगता है मेरी
वॉइस
आवाज
वाज
आप तक
नॉट
नहीं जा रही
कमिंग,
थी।
वॉइस वाज।
अच्छा ओके चलिए स्टार्ट करिए आयुष, चलिए स्टार्ट करिए।
ओके मैम।
Ayush, I am not getting your voice. Ayush. Ayush. Ayush, I am not getting your voice. Are you in the class? Oh. Ayush Raj, have you joined? Ayush Raj? Ayush Raj, have you joined the class? Subham Singh. Subham Singh. Subham Singh. Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav Kumar. 8G. No. रिपुंजय त्रिपाठी. रिपुंजय त्रिपाठी.
यस मैम।
पढ़िए।
मैम कौन सा पैराग्राफ?
कहाँ सुन नहीं रहे थे आप?
मैम सुन रहे थे मैम, लेकिन मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बहुत हो रहा था।
पेज नंबर है 129। फोर्सेज ऑफ द रिवोल्ट को पढ़ना है। चलिए पढ़िए।
The sepoys broke out into an open revolt at Meerut in April 1857. They refused to touch the greased cartilage. They were marteled
Marshall.
and marshaled
Sentence.
and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. The regiments in Meerut revolts on May 10, 1857. They broke open the prison and released the imprisoned soldiers. They marched to Delhi on May 11 and rebelled under Bahadur Shah Zafar.
Okay, Ripunjay. Now Virat Sharma. Virat Sharma. Virat Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Virat Sharma.
The revolt
Padhiye.
then spread to other places. With his general Tantia Top and Rani Lakshmi of the revolt also had Delhi, Agra, Banaras, and other places. The Sikh leaders in Punjab, Nizam of Hyderabad, and Sindhia of
Gwalior.
In the revolt, the Madras and the Bombay regiment also did not join the revolt. The Afghans and the Gurkhas remained loyal to the British.
British. Okay. Now Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav Kumar. No. Muskan Kumari. Muskan Kumari. Muskan Kumari. हाँ पढ़िए मुस्कान.
Yes, ma'am. The revolt was started by the Sipahis, but the participation of the peasant and the artisans gave the revolt its real strength. It reflected the Hindu-Muslim united. Although the revolt was a great event, but it was effectively suppressed by the Britishers. Suppression of the revolt. Suppression of the revolt. British military officers freed Delhi, the epicenter of the revolt, from the rebels. The Kashmiri Gate was blown up. Hundreds of people were massacred. Bahadur Shah Zafar too. The Mughal emperor was tried for treason and exiled to Rangoon. His sons were cruelly shot down as they were held guilty of the murder of the English men, women, and children. The
Okay
control
मुस्कान.
of the
Okay
revolt-
मुस्कान. Good. बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ा आपने. Now आर्यन राज पांडे. श्रेया कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़िए श्रेया कुमारी. हाँ पढ़िए.
Ma'am Aryan.
The control of
अच्छा
Delhi
आर्यन
and
पढ़. श्रेया के बाद पढ़िएगा आर्यन. श्रेया के बाद आप पढ़ लीजिएगा आर्यन. चलिए श्रेया पढ़ रही थी.
the
उसके बाद आर्यन
control
आप
of
कुछ स्टार्ट कर दीजिएगा. जब इनको बोलेंगे स्टॉप तो आर्यन आप स्टार्ट करेंगे. चलिए श्रेया
The
कुमारी
control
पढ़िए.
of Delhi and imprisonment of Bahadur Shah Zafar by the British broke the backbone of the mutiny. Lucknow was recaptured in 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in the battle and Tatya Tope was captured and hanged to death. Thus ended the episode of historic revolt, also called the First War of Independence. Cause of the failure of the revolt.
Okay.
The uprising had been planned for months, but it broke out before the appointed date. It did not go according to the plan as the revolutionaries failed to spread it beyond central India and Delhi. If the plan had gone as per the schedule, the revolt would have broken out in many parts of India simultaneously, and it would have been very difficult for Lord Cannon, the Governor General at that time, to control the revolt. There was no
Okay,
unity.
हो गया. आर्यन राज पांडे. Okay. श्रेया. आर्यन राज
Ma'am,
पांडे.
there was no unity among the rebels. The ideas of nationalism had not yet developed. There was no common ideology amongst the rebels. The Sepoys of Bengal wanted to revive the glory of the Mughals, while Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope tried to establish the Maratha power, and Rani Lakshmi Bai fought for her lost kingdom. The rising was not widespread, it was limited to north and central India. It's a north, the Sikhs and Nizams and the Scindias were unaffected by the revolt, and the Gurkhas not only remained loyal to the British, but helped the British in suppressing the mutiny.
बहुत
The
बढ़िया
rebels
केशव कृष्णन ये हो गया आर्यन केशव कृष्णन केशव कृष्णन आलोक कुमार पीयूष राज पढ़िए पीयूष राज पढ़िए
Yes, ma'am. The rebels could not match the sophisticated and modern weapons and the disciplined army of the British. Moreover, an organized communication system and military strategies led to British victory. The leadership of the revolt was neither strong nor gave direction to the rebels. The Indian rulers fought to liberate their own territories and did not think about the freedom of whole country. Moreover, the company officials got timely help from the government of Britain.
ओके
Results
गुड हो गया बेटा हो गया श्रेया श्रीवास्तव पढ़ना है श्रेया श्रीवास्तव
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़िए श्रेया हाँ श्रेया पढ़िए
Results of the revolt. The rule of the East India Company ended with Queen Victoria's proclamation of November 1st, 1858. She assumed the title of the Empress of India. The British crown took over the administration of India. A Secretary of State was appointed by the British Parliament to look after the governance of India with the help of a council. The Governor General was given the title of Viceroy, the representative of the British.
वाइसरॉय बोलिए वाइसरॉय हाँ हाँ बोलिए
Crown. The British reorganized the army to prevent any future. The policy of ruthless conquest and annexions of India territories was given up. The Indian princes were given the assurance that their states would not be annexed and were granted the right of adoption. Full religious
वेरी गुड
freedom
बहुत
was
बढ़िया हो
guaranteed.
गया श्रेया हो गया कौन पढ़ेंगे इसके बाद बताइए कम फॉरवर्ड बोलिए प्रिया कुमारी ओके प्रिया स्टार्ट करिए हाँ करिए प्रिया आयुष राज फिर से क्लास में पे आयुष राज आप पढ़ेंगे सुन रहे हैं आप उस समय आप वेटिंग रूम में चले गए आयुष राज Who wants to read? कोई है जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं आलोक राज चलिए पढ़िए आलोक राज हाँ पढ़िए जो भी है कोई शुरू तो करिए हाँ शुरू करिए सिद्धांत
Full religious freedom
आलोक
was
आपकी आवाज
granted to
नहीं
the
आ रही।
Indians.
हाँ।
They were also given full religious freedom was granted to the right to them remained. By the end of 1859, established, but the revolt proved to be the first great struggle of freedom. It became a source of inspiration of the for the later freedom struggle, and its heroes became household names in the country.
ओके बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड फिर से री स्टार्ट होगा कौन पढ़ना चाहते हैं फिर से कौन पढ़ना चाहते हैं यस पढ़िए स्टार्टिंग से
मैम
यस
हम पढ़ रहे
हाँ हाँ यस स्टार्ट
The
Start,
first
I'm just waiting.
The first War of Independence 1857. The revolt of
कौन
18...
पढ़ रहे हैं? हुए
मैम
जो पढ़ रहे हैं बताइए, कौन पढ़ रहे हैं?
अदिति प्रिया।
ओके, अदिति आप तो एक बार पढ़ चुकी हैं ना?
मैम वो फिर वेटिंग रूम में चले गए थे, ठीक से नहीं पढ़ पाए थे।
अच्छा पढ़िए।
The revolt of 1857 was the landmark in the history of Indian struggle from freedom. It started on May 10, 1857 with the mutiny of soldiers in Meerut cantonment. The revolutionary soldiers marched towards Delhi on May 11, 1857. Delhi was a witness to a band of sepoys who crossed over the river Yamuna and entered the Red Fort. They
Okay, Aditi, okay, good. Next, Nikhil Kumar, Ram Krishna, धीरज,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़िए धीरज, हाँ पढ़िए। धीरज कुमार आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़िए धीरज।
They appealed to the aged Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah and the Emperor without any authority to take over the leadership of the revolt. He was proclaimed the Shahanshah Hindustan's. The sepoys captured the city of Delhi, killed many Englishmen, and lynched many public officials. So the revolt was started by the Indian soldiers in the service of East Indian Company. It soon spread to different parts of the different sections of the society, like peasants, artisans, soldiers, educated Indians, and many Indian rulers joined hands to fight heroically against the Persian rules. Hindus and Muslims also came together to oppose the Persian domination.
ओके हो गया धीरज। नेक्स्ट कौन पढ़ना चाहते? नेक्स्ट कौन
Ma'am,
पढ़ना
may I?
चाहते? पढ़िए।
Do you know नहीं?
यस हो जाएगा। पहले जो अभी बोले कौन? हु हैज सेड मे आई? हु हैज
Ma'am,
सेड मे आई?
Aditya Narayan.
यस हाँ पढ़िए आदित्य नारायण। I'm
The
waiting.
event was also called the Upspring, the Revolt of 1857, or the Sepoy Mutiny by the British. But Indian historians call it the First War of Independence, as it was the first time that different sections of Indian society united and fought as one nation to throw off the shackles of foreign domination. Ever since the British had set foot on Indian soil, the nation was losing its wealth and independence. The aim of the British was to exploit the resources of our country. From 1757 onwards, they won almost every battle against the Indian rulers and kept on expanding the area under their control. They sent Indian wealth back home to England. This angered the Indians. Finally, 100 years later, in 1857, a number of Indians revolted against the exploitation.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा, very good.
Statement made out to them. Indian rulers Bahadur Shah Zafar, Tantia Tope of Gwalior, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, and Nana Sheb of Kanpur had a personal force to settle with the British. They led the revolt in their respective territories. The common people of Delhi, Lucknow, Gwalior, and other places had no narrow ambitions of power of money. They wanted an end of the foreign exploitation.
बहुत
The
बढ़िया
policy of
सिद्धांत,
annexation
बहुत अच्छा।
of the
ओके 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 सिद्धांत। नेक्स्ट कौन पढ़ना चाहते हैं? नेक्स्ट हु वांट टू रीड, कम फॉरवर्ड। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट एनीवन? कोई नहीं? No one. No one. Anyone who wants to read? No one. किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम? श्रेया श्रीवास्तव पढ़िए, श्रेया श्रीवास्तव. Yes, श्रेया श्रीवास्तव.
Causes of the revolt. Political causes. The revolt was the outcome of the widespread resentment that had been boiling
ये हो
against.
चुका था. श्रेया श्रीवास्तव आपको पढ़ना था, इसी का थर्ड पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है. The policy of annexation of Dalhousie. ये पढ़ना है आपको.
Sorry, ma'am. The policy of annexation of Dalhousie, particularly the doctrine of lapse, created fear and resentment among Indian rulers. They were not allowed to adopt heir to the throne. This policy ensured that those kingdoms where the kings did not have natural heirs would be taken over by the British after the demise of the king. It is believed that if the British would have not snapped the compensation that kings were paid earlier in return of a share in government, the kings would not have joined the revolt. The British signed many treaties.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा श्रेया, बहुत अच्छा. Next कौन पढ़ना चाहते हैं? Next, who want to come forward? पीयूष राज पढ़िए. पीयूष राज.
Yes, ma'am. The British signed many treaties with the kings and nawabs, but violated them as per their convenience. One such treaty signed with Awadh was subsidiary alliance in 1801. The Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was compelled to accept the permanent British army within the territory and to pay a subsidy for its maintenance. He could not recruit any